physically violent when she drinks.
You need to know that he is the most manipulative asshole ever. The female hangs on to abuse. He is abusive. Physically, emotionally, mentally. But you're not looking into it!
St. Augustine, Florida. A man's workplace. His wife just showed up, and she didn't come to apologize. July 11th, 2024. Officers from the St. Augustine Police Department responded to the ice plant bar after a 911 call. A woman had come to her husband's workplace. She got loud, she got physical, and when he called police, she came back.
So my wife came, she's had 2 DUIs and she's relapsed in drinking again. When she drinks, she gets aggressive. I believe she's been drinking now. She came to my workplace. I asked her to step outside because she was getting aggressive, and when I stepped outside, she hit me, and she continued to hit me, so I called you guys. Okay. She got in her car, and I believe she's been drinking.
Okay, do you have your license?
Yep. Well, not on me.
You're fine, you're fine. So, where would she hit you at?
Around the back.
No, I'm saying like face?
No,
neck,
in the chest.
In the chest? You mind if
Actually hit me right here.
Mind if I see your...
She didn't really leave a mark.
Okay.
It wasn't...
How long have you been married to her?
7 years.
7 years? Okay. And she was drinking?
She wasn't drinking here. I believe she has been drinking.
Okay.
I think you guys should give her a breathalyzer.
What was the argument over?
We're working on a trial separation, and she just texted me at work about it. The arguments are really because she drinks.
Okay. You work here?
I did. Okay. I was up there with 2 employees.
Okay. You have cameras inside, or it wasn't inside? It was on the side.
There's no cameras in the office.
Okay, but it was on the side of the building where she hit you.
No cameras in the back. There she is right there.
10-4.
You scared me.
I just stare at her for me.
Thank you for your service.
Hey, thank you. Excuse me, ma'am. I'm sorry. Give me just 1 second. Excuse me, ma'am. You mind if I talk to you?
No, I actually...
I did just hold tight. Just hold tight for me, okay?
I have friends inside.
Okay.
So I'd rather you talk to them.
But I need to talk to you.
No, it's fine. But I'd rather you talk to
Papa
my
3017 to Papa. Papa 3014 to Papa 3017.
I have friends inside.
Good.
Just stare at it for me. Could you step outside?
Can you talk to them, please?
I'm gonna talk to you. No, just stare at her for me, okay?
No. He's already been labeled as abusive.
Hey, step back.
Just step over here with me.
She came into my work. She started getting aggressive.
Do you work here?
Yes.
Okay.
So we're in the office. I'm actually onboarding 2 people. They're upstairs waiting for me. And she started getting aggressive, and then I said, let's talk outside. And when I got outside, she started hitting me. And then she got in her car, and I thought she was drinking, so I called you guys and reported that she's been drinking because she smelled of alcohol, and I haven't seen her drink, but usually she gets aggressive when she drinks. She's had 2 DUIs, 1 recently, 1 goes to court in August. So she shouldn't be drinking at all. She's been to Lakeview Rehab Center. She has an IOP. She relapsed maybe like 5-6 weeks ago. She's been drinking since then.
And she showed up here at your job because y'all going through a...
We were going to do a trial separation, which means we would live separate for a few months to see if she can get sober and get herself together.
And how did you guys end up over here where she hit you at?
For her car.
Oh, just for her cars? Okay. And she was hitting you in your chest?
Yeah, she pushed me and she started hitting me in my chest.
Was it closed fist, open hand?
Open.
Okay.
Open hand?
Do you have any marks?
Not really. I don't think so.
Do you mind, I know this is awkward, but do you mind lifting your hand for me? Make sure the cord.
Would you like to give a sworn statement?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I have 2 people waiting for me in the office. Can I go check in with them? Otherwise, I can't get them going with what they're doing.
Okay, give me just 1 second. Just 1 second.
So this will be a sworn, recorded interview taken by a law enforcement officer pursuant to Florida State Statute 70. You swear or affirm that the statement you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
Please raise it right here. All right, so tell me what happened.
Domestic battery in Florida means intentionally touching or striking a family member against their will. No weapon, no visible injury required. Contact is the element. Under Florida statute 784-3, that carries up to 1 year in jail, per count. Tim told officers she pushed him and hit him in the chest, open-handed, multiple times. He had 2 new employees upstairs watching onboarding paperwork. She made sure they had something else to watch. Tim had already given officers a sworn tape-recorded statement before she said a single word. His account was consistent, her account was not. Officers noted the smell of alcohol. Tim told them she had 2 prior DUIs. One had a court date in August. She had relapsed 5 weeks earlier. She had a strategy: invoke the attorney, redirect to DCF, claim he's the abuser. She repeated each of these points on a loop. What she did not do, not once in the first 15 minutes, was answer a direct question about what happened in that parking lot.
So I was in my office working. She was texting me back and forth. And I had 2 people, new employees up there doing their onboarding paperwork. I was doing their onboarding paperwork. And she decided to come in there. She was threatening me through text, and then she decided to come in. And then she didn't want to wait till I was done, so then she got loud in front of people. So I asked to go outside so I could talk to her outside. When I got outside, she kept threatening that she's going to embarrass me in front of everybody. I could tell she's been drinking. I could smell it on her. And
Step back. Step back for me, over here.
Please
Step over
don't be
here.
rude.
I'm just trying to get y'all separated, okay?
I have friends inside who can attest to everything that he is saying anti.
Okay. Well, listen, we'll get to
This
that in
is,
due time, okay?
no, please stop. I'm not,
Stop what? I'm here to help.
no, you're not.
How am I
Oh my
not?
God, because I have an attorney who says that you're not here to help.
Why would I not be here to help?
Can you please call Carol Caldwell?
I'm not going to call him right now. I need to talk to you.
It's
figure
not a
out-
him, it's a her.
Sorry, then I
Her
won't.
name is Carol Caldwell. Please call her. This has
Do you have
been
your ID on you?
ours. What?
Do you have an ID?
In my car,
In your
yes.
car? Okay. Alright. Explain to me what's happening here. Why are we here?
That is my husband.
Okay, husband. There we go.
My husband, please contact an attorney.
I will contact her.
No, I don't need to tell you what's happening. I'm not going to. You need to know that he is the most manipulative asshole ever. He is called DCF. He has done everything.
Okay.
Please stop. Please. DCF is actually making a case against him
For what?
right now.
For what?
For abuse.
For abuse on...
Me.
Okay.
Why would DCF have an abuse or a case on you?
Because he keeps calling DCF and he has no proof.
But why are you still with him then?
Do you know anything about abuse? Or
we deal
no?
with it- we deal
do you,
with it
do you
every
not
shift.
know anything
Yeah,
about
we
abuse?
deal with it every shift.
Do you not? Oh, okay. Then you would know that a female hangs on to abuse
For personal
and
choice?
stays in. It is not personal choice.
Well, we're gonna
Thank
find
you.
out when we find the security camera. We're gonna take a look at exactly what happened.
I
and
love
we're
that
gonna figure
for
out
you.
who's lying to us.
I love that for you.
Yeah. So just hang tight.
Oh my God.
Answer his questions and we'll go from there.
I
okay?
have been answering his questions.
Fantastic.
Thank
Keep
you.
doing that then.
You don't need to be a smart ass.
You don't need to be dumb.
No, I'm gonna walk away because
I
I'm
need you
not
to
being
stay
held.
here.
Yeah.
I'm not being held against my will. Please stop. I have my attorney, Carol Caldwell. I will have her contact you. He is a problem. He has already been reported as a problem.
Okay.
He has actually been arrested for domestic violence
Okay.
on his part, not mine. I am so sorry that this is happening.
No, ma'am.
No, I
ma'am.
am actually gonna walk away.
No, ma'am. You are temporarily
No, you're
detained at this time.
No, you're not. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your hands behind your back.
You're
and
not-
right
what?
You
No.
do not resist
Stop.
me.
Are
And
you
put your hands
kidding
behind
me?
your back.
Are you kidding me?
Got it.
Are you kidding me?
Do not.
Stop.
What
Do
is
not
happening?
stop.
What? I'm not. I'm not. I am not. What are you doing? I am not.
We told you what to do and you did not listen.
What are you doing? I did not. I never once not listened. Ever.
This one's probably gonna want to
I never not listened. Ever.
Stop.
face the
Face
wall.
the wall.
Face the
I
wall.
never not listened. What are you doing?
You pulled away from us and you tried to walk away after we told you you're not.
No,
doing it
I said my attorney would step in.
Yeah, he's going to after this.
She.
Okay, they.
Please stop calling her a him. It's a she.
Put her in her car.
Yep.
I have not done anything
Oh,
wrong. I have not done anything wrong. I have not done anything wrong.
You want to pat her down, please?
Yeah, I'll do that if y'all want to grab a pair of zip ties.
Okay. Yes. Absolutely.
I have not done anything wrong. I don't
got her?
understand.
You got it.
Right here for me.
All right, I'm Officer Portal. Okay, I'm gonna pat you downstairs. Do a quick
Oh my
search so you
God.
can get in the
You
back
can
of the
see
car.
my leggings. I have nothing.
All right. The reason I'm doing it is because I'm a female and you're a female. We don't want to have any issues with
Oh
that.
my God. This
So-
is my ex-husband making moves.
Do you have anything on you that
This
would
would've went a
stick me,
lot
poke me,
different.
hurt me, or anything
No,
like that?
this is my ex-husband
Hey,
making
listen.
moves.
Do you have anything on you that would stick
No,
me, poke
I
me,
have
hurt me?
nothing. I would never.
Okay. Do you have anything illegal?
Oh my God. No. Never.
Spread your feet.
Never.
Spread your feet.
I would never.
Come forward.
Thank you.
I would never. I
Stay
love that
facing
you
the
guys
car.
are on his
Stop
side.
moving. Stop moving.
Face the car.
Oh my God, please.
Or you put your hands on your face on the ground.
Do not make this
Okay,
harder.
fine. I'm
Spread your
scared.
Put your feet. Spread your feet.
I am scared.
There's nothing to be afraid of. We're just doing
We
our
don't do
job.
that. We were trying to talk to her. She
Funny,
came out,
because
guys,
did
when
you
we
do
were
this
looking
to
for her.
him?
She came out, moving on her boyfriend, screaming at the other officers. We got in the way and told her, hey, just step over this way. Off the bat, she was my attorney. I won't talk to you. I want my attorney. And then she started to talk a little bit, and then she was like, I'm going to leave. I don't want to be here. And I told her, no, man, you are now temporarily detained. And that's when she kept trying to go. I helped her went to grab her. She just started pulling away.
He ran back in. I already got sworn stuff.
I would never.
Is he a employee or something?
Yeah, he's an employee.
Okay.
I would never. I would never. I would never.
You want to
I
put this
have
on?
6 kids. I would never. He's even had me taking care of his own 6 kids. I would never. I would never.
Go ahead.
I would never.
Yeah, just close her back.
I would never, ever.
No, they gotta go more. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Are you serious?
Keep going.
I would never.
Do this one more.
I want to call my mom, please. Or my attorney,
And this how you walk.
please.
Okay.
Can I please call my attorney?
You get an opportunity.
No, I know y'all's opportunities. No. I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay. I'm sorry about that. Continue with your.
I forget where I was. She came into my office. She was threatening me that she was going to embarrass me. So I asked her to step outside. And when I stepped outside, she got louder and more aggressive. Then she started hitting me, and then I said I was going to call the police. And she got in her car, so I called you guys that she was getting in her car, going to drive away. I forget whether she was about to drive or hadn't gotten in at that point. Then she came out and came back while I was talking to you guys, and then you guys came.
And for camera purposes, she hit you in your chest,
Right here.
open-handed,
Yes,
and pushed you.
yes.
How many times did she hit you?
I think she pushed me twice and hit me 2 or 3 times, so it's just like
In the
all in
chest.
a row, yeah.
Okay.
Here is where things become legally significant. She announced she was going to walk away. Under Florida law and federal constitutional precedent, a lawful investigative detention, what courts call a Terry stop, does not require probable cause. It requires only reasonable suspicion. Officers had more than enough. The moment she pulled away, she generated a second charge. Terry v. Ohio, decided by the Supreme Court in 1968, established that officers may briefly detain a person based on specific articulable facts suggesting criminal activity. She had described the incident herself, unprompted, to 4 officers. That was the reasonable suspicion. Her walk was not an exit. It was evidence. Resisting an officer without violence, Florida Statute 843-02, is a first-degree misdemeanor. It does not require a physical struggle. Pulling away during a lawful detention qualifies. She added this charge in real time in the parking lot on camera. During the physical struggle to place her in handcuffs, she made contact with an officer. That contact, however incidental it may have seemed in the moment, triggered Florida Statute 784.07. Battery on a law enforcement officer, that is a third-degree felony. Maximum 5 years. It is a separate charge from domestic battery. It does not merge. It stacks. She had been asking for her attorney, Carol Caldwell, for the better part of 20 minutes. She invoked that right correctly at one point. I'm asking for an attorney. Under Miranda v. Arizona, that invocation ends custodial questioning. Officers stopped. What it did not do was undo the charges that already existed. Officers read her Miranda rights twice. The first time, she interrupted to ask what she had done. The second time, she asked for her attorney mid-sentence. The right to remain silent had been available to her since the first officer spoke to her. She declined to use it for approximately 40 minutes. She told officers that the law and reality don't match up. That statement is worth examining. The law in this case matched reality precisely. She struck her husband. Officers responded. She resisted detention. She made contact with an officer. 3 charges followed from 3 separate decisions, each made after police arrived. She also claimed her husband had been arrested for domestic violence and had it erased. Whether or not that is accurate, it is irrelevant to the charges on this date. Florida law does not permit a suspect to raise a counter-accusation as a defense to their own conduct. Officers are not arbiters of relationship history. They document what happened on their shift. The DCF investigation she referenced and repeated was not within the responding officer's jurisdiction. Child Protective Services and law enforcement operate on separate tracks. Officers can relay information. They cannot compel DCF action. She appeared to believe that mentioning DCF would change the outcome of this encounter. It did not. She was charged with 3 offenses. Domestic battery under Florida Statute 784-03, resisting an officer without violence under Florida Statute 843-02, and battery on a law enforcement officer under Florida Statute 784-07, a third-degree felony. Combined maximum exposure, up to 7 years and $7,000 in fines. First appearance was scheduled for the following morning.
I'm going to fill out some information for you. You can go ahead and do what you have to do. Just step back outside, okay?
Look at the text messages.
Give me just 1 second, okay?
Can you please just look at the text
Give me just 1 second, okay?
messages?
I'm going to read you something, okay?
No, can you please look
Give
at
me
the
ju-
text messages?
Before we move any further, let me read you something,
Are
okay?
you kidding me? I am in pain. My wrists hurt. He has told me all along he will kill me in all of this.
Okay.
Please,
Give me just 1 second.
DCF is involved. Can you please call DCF? Please call DCF. Can you please call DCF?
Give me just 1 second.
No, please call them. Can you please call DCF?
All right, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and
I
will be
haven't
used
done
against you in
anything.
court.
I don't know what I've done.
You have the right to have an attorney with you prior to, during, or after any questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney and desire
not
one,
done anything.
the court will appoint one for you.
I've not done anything. What have I done?
You may
What did
stop
I
the question.
do?
You may
Please
stop
tell
the
me what I
questioning at
did.
any time by refusing to answer further or by
Please
requesting
tell
to
me
consult
what I
with
did.
your attorney. Do
Please
you understand?
tell me what I did.
Do you understand these rights that I have explained
Please
to
tell
you?
me what I did.
Do you understand?
No, I don't understand them.
Having
Please
these rights
tell
in
me what I
mind.
did.
Having these rights in mind.
Please tell me what I
Do
did.
you wish to answer any questions or make a statement?
I am asking you what I did.
Do you wish?
I am asking you, yes, what did I do?
So you understand what I've explained to you? Yes or no?
No. Because what did you do? Do you know that DCF has him under investigation? Do you know that?
Can you listen to me?
Do you know that?
Can you listen to me? Before we move any further, can you listen to me, please?
Do you know that
I'm trying to work
under
with you.
investigation? You're not trying to work for me.
I'm
You're
trying to work with
for him. He has a lot of
trying to
money.
work
You're
with you,
not.
okay?
You're not.
So you don't wish to answer any questions?
I am asking you, do you know what DCF has discovered?
Before we move any further,
Do you know what DCF has discovered? Please answer me.
move your foot.
Please, just answer
Move
me.
your foot.
Please.
before we move
I
any further.
just want to go home.
Okay, and I'm trying to
I
work
don't
with
want
you,
to
but
be
you're not.
with him. I don't
You're
want
being
to be with
uncooperative.
him.
You're being uncooperative.
I'm not. I
Okay,
don't
so
want to be
listen,
with him.
so help me help you. Okay,
Please, I don't want to be with him.
help me help you. Okay, I'm gonna read this one more time, and then we're gonna talk.
Oh my God, it just feels.
Okay,
Will you please listen to me for
I'm trying. You're not listening to me.
I know. Can you listen to me for five seconds? DCF has claimed him to be abusive. Okay? You are arresting me. They've already claimed him to be the abusive person. This is where the law and reality don't match up. Please know that if you call Carol Goldwell, she will tell you what he's done is typical, and he was actually arrested for 5 years for domestic violence. That's what he did and got it erased, okay? Please. I'm just asking you. Please call Carol Goldwell.
Just for signal 14,
Please.
they have not
He's,
called yet. What you just if you want to.
he is abusive. Physically, emotionally, mentally.
10-4.
Please call somebody who actually cares. Please.
okay,
So I'm asking.
okay. And
I will lock myself away forever.
okay, so listen. You see how I listen to you?
I will listen to you.
Okay, so can we move forward now? I'll listen to you.
Can you please call Carol Goldwell?
We're gonna get to that, but I need you to listen to me, okay?
Okay.
So I'm gonna read this
I
again.
know.
Okay? You have the right to remain silent.
Can
Anything
I-
you say can and will be used against you in court.
Can I say no?
You have the right to have an attorney with you prior to, during, or
And
after
I'm
your
asking
questioning.
for an attorney.
Okay.
I'm asking for Carol Goldwell. Please. Oh, this is.
You the husband? Pleasure, Officer Smith. Just want to stay in here. So he's got some paperwork for you. Yeah, you're fine. You can take a seat if you want to.
Oh, you're okay. Go ahead and you do your thing first.
Just take a breath. I can tell you're a little frantic right now. It's your place of work, I assume?
Yes.
Just take a breath. Okay. So pretty much we're just trying to figure out where this occurred in the parking.
Right around the back. Unfortunately, there's no camera that points back there.
Okay.
The camera that points toward the front door outside, and that's it.
Okay. So it happened right pretty much where her car is right now?
And the paved part
Okay.
next to the fence.
Okay. Okay. Alright.
Would you, real quick, do you mind pointing out exactly where it's going? So we can get it on Bodycam.
In this area here.
So it happened here? Okay. Alright, well he has some paperwork for you.
So this is a victim's rights guide for you that just is a little bit of literature on your rights as a victim. It sounds pretty self-explanatory. It's also got a phone number on this for victim's rights advocate if you think you should leave them. It also has Officer Bryant. Are you actually taking the primary? Or
I think Ruben is.
okay.
Did she drive home, or
Say again.
did she drive away, or?
No, she's still here.
Okay.
Alright, so I have some questions for you, okay? Alright, has your partner ever threatened to kill you or use a weapon against you or your children?
A weapon, no.
Has she ever threatened to kill you?
What about the other? Yeah, multiple times.
Multiple times? Can you elaborate on that?
Well, she's a drinker, so when she gets to drinking, she normally makes lots of threats and is very aggressive. She's physically violent when she drinks. Her threats to kill me are not serious. I don't believe so. Yeah.
Has your partner ever strangled, choked you? If so, was your breathing restricted?
Yes.
To both of them?
Yes.
Can you elaborate on that?
Well, that back when she was drinking heavily before the latest DUI, because she checked into Lakeview and after the last DUI, and she was in there for 8 weeks. And then after she got out, there was a period of her not drinking at all, and she was doing better. Only in the last months that she started to drink again. She has been aggressive in those times, but not to the point where she had been previously. Before she got her second DUI, there would have been multiple times where she's, tried to strangle me, or, I'm bigger than her, so it's not like she can stop me, but usually she puts all her weight into me and uses her arms and her legs, and she bites, she pulls hair, she does whatever she can to hurt me. So I have had to call the police over the years. And lately, since she's been drinking and driving, on 2 other occasions, she's been too drunk to drive and has gotten in the car and have called the police. But, you guys didn't catch her. So
Gotcha.
it keeps on happening.
I gotcha. Alright, so does your partner have any access to firearms or weapons?
No.
Has your partner ever attempted or threatened to commit?
Yes, and I did report that. She had an open DCF investigation, and I reported that to DCF. DCF
said had.
Yeah.
Is it not ongoing anymore?
She hasn't done that since then. She had done it in front of the kids and made a scene. I coached my 6-year-old soccer team, and I was about to take her to soccer when she was making these threats, and she was making them in front of the kids. And then she wouldn't let me take her to soccer, and it was the first practice. And we had called her mom to intervene, and then we had called DCF as well, because making threats in front of the children. When DCF came to our house the first time, I wasn't the one that called it. It was her ex-husband that called it, because we shared 2 kids. And we reported DCF, but they said they couldn't really do anything about it.
So there was not an investigated or an active ongoing investigation with DCF?
There is again.
There is again. Okay, so
again,
there's another one.
There's an active one now. I reported her drinking and driving again with the kids in the car. And anytime DCF comes out, she sells the story that it's a domestic thing and that it has nothing to do with the kids, which is not true, because honestly, I had covered up for her for a long time, hoping that she would get better. DCF explained, no, you can't do that. You're putting children in harm. You have to report them. So I've been doing what I'm told, but then DCF doesn't do anything with the information.
Unfortunately, there's a lot of factors that go into that kind of stuff, and there's a lot more check boxes they have to do that we don't have to do. We can just do what we need to do, but there's a lot more than that. So gotta bear with it. Unfortunately, it's kind of one of those things.
If I take pictures of where she hit you up?
It's probably not even red anymore.
It still is a little bit.
I'm gonna take a full body. Let me see your hands.
I can find myself.
Okay, do you need anything else from me?
No, what's happening to her, because we have kids at home.
So, as of right now, she's going to be transported to the jail.
Okay. I just need to know what's going on. So I can...
Yeah, but as of right now, she's being transported to the
She'll have first appearance tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Obviously, you can't bond her out, and then it'd be a no contact order.
Yes.
So if she shows up to the house, she will be in violation of the no contact order if she makes bail.
Okay. Do you guys do a breathalyzer on her?
So we're trying to work through that right now with our senior officers and our supervisors and figure out what they want to do with that, because we have no real witnesses other than cameras, and we don't know if that can play a factor into that.
Is she on probation?
I don't know what it's called. She has a trial in August.
For the DUI?
She has any actual probation?
She had a DUI. Her license was restricted, and then she regained her license. She doesn't have any restrictions now. No, I don't know what. We had to bail her out last time, so I don't know what that means for the trial.
I think
So
whoever's for the county on the county side needs to know that she's been drinking and driving. And she's likely to get off again. She got off on her first one. It doesn't really help her to keep getting off, know that she can get off, and then get back in the car with the kids.
So I'm going to let you know what I'd let every other person know about stuff like this. Once domestic violence has happened, it will happen again. It's notorious, it's factual, it's stated. Especially with her driving with kids in the car, you should try to do what you can to fix that. Okay? It's dangerous for the kids, it's dangerous for you, it's dangerous for her. God forbid she gets into an accident and she's drunk. You're looking at child neglect, you're looking at DCF, you're looking at losing the kids completely. So this might be a wake-up call to try to do something. Okay? That's just information from me to you, working this job, seeing what I've seen the few times that I've seen it. I've only worked a few, and every one I've seen has been the same.
It's 20 minutes.
I'm sure he could tell you from experience that he's had. He's been here a lot longer.
You want to move your car up and put her in my car?
Yeah, we'll go ahead and we will do a handoff real quick. Her vehicle. Are you guys okay with it being parked there?
Do you have access to the car?
I don't have a key, but it can stay there.
Well, she doesn't have the keys on her.
Oh, well then it's in the car.
You're taking it, right? Okay.
Look at that. Are you guys co-owners of this vehicle?
Huh?
Are you guys co-owners of the vehicle?
No, it's under my name.
So it's technically your vehicle? Okay. I mean, if that's not enough reason for breathalyzer.
If we're, like I said, like he said, we're trying to work through that because technically we don't have a real witness. So that kind of puts a damper on our investigation as far as that. The only thing we have right now is open container. So we'll get through that. We'll figure it out.
Why do you guys think that this is funny?
Step out. Step out.
Do you know that?
Step out of the vehicle.
Do you know that
Step out of the
he's being
vehicle.
charged
Step out.
through DCF?
Step out.
Do you know that he's being charged through DCF?
That's fine.
I'll give you a handcuff back.
It's,
Do you know that he's being
zip
charged
up.
through DCF? I haven't done anything wrong.
Take a seat.
Sir, I haven't done anything wrong.
Take a seat, okay?
Do you know that he's being charged through DCF?
You told us 18 times.
But you're not looking into it. So I can tell you 21 times you're not looking into
Put
it.
your feet in.
Please, I want Carol Caldwell.
Watch out, Tristan.
I
Watch out.
want Carol.
Now to the grades. Under Graham versus Connor, decided in 1989, officer conduct is evaluated based on what a reasonable officer would do given the facts known at the moment of the decision, not in hindsight. Every use of force here holds up under that standard. They let her speak. They let her speak at length. She provided them everything they needed. The subject gets an F. She showed up uninvited to her husband's workplace during a work function. She struck him. When officers arrived, she refused to engage, invoked an attorney she had no way to reach, attempted to walk away from a lawful detention, physically resisted handcuffing, and made contact with an officer. Each of those decisions added a charge or a count to her file. None of them were required. All of them were chosen. Florida Statute 784.07 exists specifically to deter physical contact with officers during the performance of their duties. The statute requires no intent to injure. Contact during a lawful encounter is sufficient. She handed them a felony in the parking lot. The right to remain silent was available the entire time. She did not exercise it once. The victim gets a B+. He called police immediately, gave a consistent sworn statement, documented a pattern of behavior including prior DUIs, relapse, and a history of physical violence. His account did not change under pressure. His cooperation was textbook for a domestic violence victim. The slight deduction. He allowed her to reapproach the scene after calling police. A cleaner outcome would have involved physical separation before officers arrived. Florida's domestic violence statutes, particularly the mandatory arrest provision under Statute 741.2901, exist to remove that discretion from the victim. He used the system correctly by calling. The reapproach added unnecessary complexity. 3 lessons that apply beyond this case. First, investigative detention is not optional. A Terry stop requires only reasonable suspicion, not an arrest warrant, not probable cause. When an officer tells you that you are detained, walking away is not exercising a right. It is committing a new offense. Second, invoking your attorney's name is not the same as invoking your right to counsel under Miranda. The correct invocation is clear and unambiguous. "I want a lawyer," stated once, followed by silence. She said, "Please call Carol Caldwell," 11 times. That is not a legal invocation. That is a phone request. The distinction matters in court. Third, every charge after the first in this case was self-generated. The domestic battery charge existed before officers arrived. It was baked into the incident. The resisting charge and the felony battery on officer charge were created in the parking lot after police showed up through a sequence of choices that did not have to happen. The body camera did not create the outcome. She did. If you want more body cam footage, the moments that suspects don't expect to end up on camera, hit subscribe. We post every week. Drop a comment. What do you think the sentence should be? We'll see you in the next one.